Okay, I have a feeling that something which is deep, like okay, like how hormone or hormonal. Of course, it has the potential to be something that you can do, like write a show about, like act it out, etc. But I think it's very interesting also to see someone perform it, like that feeling and the explanation from. It's almost like you have a narrator on your show, and your narrator has a live show of their own. Like imagine Friends is being narrated by someone. To using these four kids, these six kids, they were doing this, la 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 la. So that script is funny, and then you see it acted out. So I would say every idea look at it like that. I'm like, oh, can this be on stage? Is this something that can help me engage the audience for an hour? Then yes, I can do it alone. But is this an idea which requires more people in? Is it not an idea which I can execute alone? Then I usually put it in a sketch format, I put it in a show format. Also, it really comes down to like sometimes I repeat jokes, like some jokes which are in my show, they end up doing in like in our web series or in something. For example, I remember in season like all of T Boy's dialogues in Pushpavalli was written by Sumaira, and they can specifically be taken out as stand up as well because they're all set up punchline, set up punchline, set up punchline. Doesn't mean that it doesn't have space in a show. It has, because that's how it is. Or like if you look at a Shraddha, Vasu's character as stand up may not work. Or if Vasu doing not Shraddha alone amazing. Vasu as a character doing stand up alone may not. But if you give Vasu the girls to bully, there it is. You have like you're like, oh yeah, I relate to that girl. I relate to Vasu. So I sort of like, same thought, which angle of it or which version of it, which thought of it goes into what box is what I think of.